Hey guys, so today we are going to be making a galaxy jar. As you can see here, it's really cool, really pretty. It's super easy to make if you have the right materials. And I hope you enjoy this video. So let's start making a galaxy jar. Okay, so what you'll need for a galaxy jar is first you'll need a jar. And I would go with a jar on the smaller size because these galaxy jars take a lot of cotton balls, so the less cotton balls you use, the better. And then you're also gonna need some cotton balls. And so I got these cotton balls at Market Basket, 100 pack for $3. And then you'll need 3 pigments, so you can use paint or food coloring or any other dyes you have around. And then you'll also need 3 cups, some water, and glitter, which is optional. So if you want, you can put glitter in your jar. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dye the 3 kinds of water for our galaxy jar. You can make your galaxy jar any combination of colors you want, but for my project I picked lime green, green, and turquoise to match the cap of my jar. So you fill each cup like halfway with water, and then you put each color into one of the 3 cups respectively. Okay, so first one I'm going to make turquoise. I'm going to add a little drop of water, or of coloring. Stir it around, and that looks good. If you want, you can add more color to your cups of water, but I'm going to only do 1 drop per cup for my project. Now I'm going to do the green. I'm going to stir that in. Okay, and then finally I'm going to do the lime green, which is like a neon yellowish green. See, you can see it's very bright. Okay, so that's step 1. Okay, so here I have my 3 colors, my jar, and these cotton balls. And so I'm going to open the jar. I'm going to start with the blue. I'm going to pour a little bit of the blue into the jar. That's about good. And then I'm going to put in a few cotton balls. 3 or 4 is a good amount. 3 I'm going to do. Push it in if you need to. And then this is where you would add glitter, but I'm not going to do that. But if you want to, you add it right now. And then you're going to repeat the process with the next color. Add some green in. Put some cotton balls in there. And then I'm going to repeat with the lime green. Put some cotton balls in here now again. And basically you just keep doing this until your jar is full. Okay, so here we are back with the jar. I finished up putting in cotton balls and paint. And then I'm going to seal up the jar with my cap. And there you have it. Here is a galaxy jar. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this video, and I'll see you back next week.